Guess what? It's here. Yeah, that's what we didn't need. So, yeah. Well, I was going to stay here at the farm. Just run up the rounds with squirrel. I mean, this is what it's doing outside. And she parked in front of our house in town. Well, you guys can't see. There, you can see. Visibility has dropped. I can see 1, 2 light poles down. So, yeah, I'm going to have to get out of here. Snow's coming fast. And I kind of wanted to stay out here and work on motors, but it's not going to happen. I don't have enough stuff out here to keep me going if I did, so I don't know what's up with squirrel. I think somebody just went by. They were right on this snowstorm. It's really coming down, so I guess. Been out here. Well, I had some stuff to do, and been out here. Thought, it's just gonna rain. I was kind of in denial. I was hoping that the snow wouldn't get here, but it did. So I guess I'm going to pick out a couple of things to take home with me to read, look at. I don't know. Days like today is when I wish we had the house out here, because I could stay here in the shop. Then I could just walk to the house. But I don't know. Maybe that's going to be a goal for this summer, to get some kind of building or build something out here. Even another 24 by 30 garage would be big enough for Mama Bear and I. I mean, all we need is we could have an open kitchen, dining room, living room, a bedroom and a 2 bedrooms and a small bathroom. We'd be good to go. I mean, years ago we had talked about turning the shop into a house, and I had it all drawn out, and it would have worked. But it's still a shop. So I'm going to pick that out, and I'll kind of give you a ride home in the snowstorm, see what happens. So, hang on. Well, I hope I didn't wait too long to get out of here. Holy crap, I'm driving over snowdrifts already. Gravel road, so pray nobody's coming. Got her in 4-wheel drive. Oh, well, too bad. I forgot it. Just going to grab a drink just in case. This snow is very, very wet and heavy. Yeah, I don't know why my 4-wheel drive makes noise. Let's see. Yeah, no, it's really that bad, guys. Yes, I get a chance to get over to the cousins and get under the on hoist. I'm gonna have to check out the 4-wheel drive in this thing. Yeah, this is just sheltered areas. I mean, I got a patch of fog right here that's not going away. This truck usually don't do that. Well, if the mailman went. Did you guys just see that flash? Oh my God. I don't know what that flash was, but something just flashed. Wow. I'm doing 15 mile per hour, and I really don't know where the heck the road's at. Windshield's clearing. You guys are just fuzzed out, ain't you? Come on, camera. Oh, man. Huh. Here, you know what? I'm on the wrong side of the road. Good God. It wasn't this bad a few minutes ago when I decided to leave. So, anyway. I don't know what you guys are seeing, but I had to take my glasses off. They're there, and I had to put sunglasses on so I can even think that I know where I'm at. I've drove this road millions of times, and I'm lost as where I'm at. Oh, I'm further down the road than what I thought. Here's that bridge. Oh, the little culvert, whatever. I have no idea where I'm at. Wow. You know, they've cried wolf so much that with snowstorms, they've missed it. And I thought, you know what? It's just going to be the same again. But they got it right this time. And I don't know why my windows are so fogged over in here. Oh, this one is. But, yeah. I had to put the sunglasses on just so I could see. I mean, we're losing the... I'm losing the grass to know where the dang road's at. So, yeah, I took the camera lens off too, so if you guys notice a difference in the picture, that's why. I think we're going up a hill right now. Oh my. Time it's taken me to get... I'm only a mile and a half away from the farm. Yep, that was the hill. Wow. The time it's taken me to go a mile and a half, I would have been home. So I'm down to about 12 now. I have no idea where anything is. I know my differential is full of oil and the transfer case is full, but I don't know why I've got noise in the front end. And that's why I'm kind of not really pushing it too hard, because I don't know if it's because of the tires or what. Oh my gosh. I can't. Oh, it's 4:40. It's the time of this right now. Somewhere up here's the highway. Okay, this is yeah. We got another quarter mile to go yet. I'm gonna be glad when I'm to the house. I would be really glad when the house is out at the farm and I don't have to do this crap. I'm just drive from the shop to the house. This crap keeps coming down like this. It's gonna not be good. Yep, a lot of us said, you know, they always cried bad storm, then we didn't get them, and today I kind of fell into that situation of they've been wrong. It's just rain. It ain't going to do nothing. And this just changed within a matter of minutes. It started changing. I'm like, it did it yesterday. And I look back out. I'm like, oh, it's not letting up this today. So I don't want to turn my fan down, but as we get up here to the highway, to know where, if anybody's coming, I got to open the window just a hair and listen. The county to the west of us, which is that way, already told everybody no travel. Like I said, if I had more stuff out at the farm, granted, I probably would have stayed. Here you go. How do you see what you're... I mean, good God. Alright, I'm going to answer that before I take off. Well, from what my daughter just told me, I'm pretty safe to go because I don't think there's going to be any more traffic coming. 2.5 miles that way at the bridge, 2 semis just crashed into one another, so this highway here is blocked off. And Mama Bear has made it home, and I told my daughter, as I'm talking to you, it's getting worse. I gotta go. So yeah, no, better get the fan going. You hear my damn 4-wheel drive? It's that roar. Oh yeah. So yep. All right. Well, son of a bee biscuit. I know that rumble strip is the ditch. I want to hug the ditch. I don't want to be close to the center line. You know what? This is the craziest drive I've had in a long freaking time. I know the ditch is right there. Hey, actually, you guys looking through the camera is a lot better. So I can actually see the grass line there. Like I said, there. God, I wish I knew which. Okay, yeah, that's the ditch. I want to make sure I'm on the right rumble strips. You know what? I'm going to turn my 4-ways on too. Holy crud. I know I'm on the shoulder. I'd rather be on the shoulder than on the... I'm going to turn my rear fog on again so I can see out the back window. Wow. Oh heck, I didn't even... Here, I thought I was past this place. Wow. Oh wow, it's deep here. It's getting... Oh, this is... I don't know, there's some tire tracks here. So, I don't know if somebody's in front of us. I hate going behind sheltered areas because it makes it stick. You know what, I'm just going to sit you guys right there. Now, I actually need you guys to see the dang grass line. Granted, I drive 5 miles to go, well, over 5 miles to go home, and you guys now know how slow I'm going. You cannot see. This ought to make for an interesting ride. I'm talking a lot just to keep my peace of mind. Okay, I gotta put some heat down on my feet. Holy. Yeah, this is... I gotta figure out what's crawling in my 4-wheel drive. I notice we've lost our rumble strips, and there's the wing row, so I don't want to get too close to that wing row. I don't know what I'm pointing at. I think the feedlot's here, but I might be wrong. I was wrong on the last landmark, so hopefully the power, well, if you're seeing this video, the power stayed on at home. Where the hell am I? I don't know where I'm at, guys. What the hell place is this? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh shit, about drove in the damn ditch there. Oh, there's the feedlot. Okay, that is the feedlot. Some crazy kids on snowmobiles just went by us. If you guys seen, I don't know. I have no idea where the freaking road is. My fear of somebody else coming up behind me. No idea where the damn road is. There it is. One more, a little over a mile to go, guys. A little over a mile to go. Slow that down. Oh wait. Yep, okay, yeah. There's our mile mark right here. Okay. Yeah, this classifies it as the most scariest thing I've done lately. I do have somebody coming up behind me. That's crazy. See their headlights? I don't know where they came from, but half mile. That guy's a half mile out. I don't know if it's a car or if it's... Nah, it's a car. There's two headlights. There's our power plant. East town, so that now we're down to about a half mile, give or take. Okay, now I got another car behind me. I ain't so worried about behind me. Now I'm worried about coming at us. Oh. See if the shoulder kind of get there. Don't want to fall off over here. There's a big hole in the dang ditch. Wash out from right in there, so yeah, definitely don't want to drive in the ditch there. Oh shit, I almost did. Split second like that. Wow. Oh. After this, I gotta stop and get me something to drink. Oh no, there's the hole. See, I can't. There's our welcome sign, the town that you barely can see. I'm not looking at the camera, I'm just pointing it. There's the dealership. So, where the heck is the driveway? I gotta get me. Pray to God nobody's coming. Where the freak is the driveway? Get off the road, get off the road, get off the road. Holy jeepers. Well, I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, I think they're open. I don't know. Maybe they're not. A couple of more blocks and we're home. That truck you just seen leave comes by where I thought the semis had crashed. It's the other bridge. It's on 471. They're trying to go another 25 miles. I said, you ain't gonna make it. They got their beer, they got their priorities. That's okay. I broke down and bought me a Code Red. Holy jeepers. Wow. Yeah, even here in town. Yep, here's some traffic. Hopefully, yeah, they're on their side. Get away from the curb here. Get in the sheltered area, it really makes the window hard to see out. Wow. Squirrel was worried about going to work tomorrow. I don't think so, and Mama Bear was supposed to open the store tomorrow. I don't know about that. Oh, and when I was at the gas station getting the pop, I was turn. We got thunder, we got lightning snow, which when that does it in a snowstorm, it means it's wet, heavy, and coming down. And I checked the text. My buddy said they took us out of the 4 to 6 inch snow area and put us in the 8 to 12 inches of wet, heavy, freaking snow. I can't see the side streets. This is freaking... Oh my... I'm so glad I stopped and put more gas in earlier. Wow. Holy jeepers. Okay, where is our street? Okay, here's our street. Time to bounce up in the yard. Ooh, nobody's coming. And, oh, that was the dip in our street. Oh, and we are home. Oh my. Thanks for the ride home with me. If I wanted to talk to somebody, I don't know if I would have made it. I was... That's the longest it's ever taken me to come home to this house. And like I said, they got us all used to crying wolf and not having the weather right. I guess now I'm going to get my butt in the house. So if you are in this snowstorm, take care and stay safe. And if the snow's heading for you, my goodness. Anyway, see y'all later.